Hey, what's up guys? Hope all of you are doing well. So there's a new update available for the Samsung Galaxy A34 that you guys might be missing out. So today in this video we will check out that update. To update it, simply go into the settings of your phone. Then you have to tap on software update by scrolling all the way down. Now from here tap on download and install. The last update that I got was of April 1st 2025, which was with the OneUi 7 official update. So this is the first update after the OneUi 7. Hopefully it will fix all the bugs and issues that were there before. Talking about the update size, so it is 281 MBs in size, and it includes some device stability improvements, and the bugs and issues that were there before will be hopefully fixed with this new update. First of all, you will have to download the update. It is 281 MBs in size. So once the update is downloaded, you will get to see an option of install now. But make sure to install this update when your device is completely free, as during this installation process, you will be unable to use your device or make any calls. So once you're ready, tap on install now and the installation process will begin. I was facing many lags after the OneUi 7 update. Hopefully this update will fix that. I will review this update for a day and I will let you guys know in the upcoming videos that how is this update performing on my Galaxy A34. So make sure to subscribe as I will keep you updated. And finally the update is installed. Now when you will tap on download and install or check for the last update, it will say that it is on the latest 1st May 2025 update. So that's a wrap for today's video. This was the new update available for the Samsung Galaxy A34 that you guys might be missing out. Make sure to check it out, and if you're new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.